Hey everyone, my name's Dave and I'm going to show you a great way to make salmon on a salt block over open flame. We're going to put a little couscous with it. Let's get started. I'm going to just coat this with some nice olive oil, a little bit of kosher salt, and a little bit of coarse pepper. I love dill and I love lemon. And some garlic. And that's basically it. Getting the fire started. This is just my favorite way to do salmon. Something about playing with fire. This is the easy part, just sitting watching this thing cook to perfection on the salt block. The smell of the dill, the garlic, the lemon, so good. Can't wait for it to cook. It should only be about 10 more minutes, and then we'd be ready to plate that along with the couscous. We've got the couscous done. Making this with the chicken broth makes it so much better. Add a little kosher salt, coarse pepper, a little red chili pepper flakes, some fresh parsley. That is so good. Definitely use chicken broth when you're making couscous. Big difference. The salmon is done as well. I'm actually gonna slice it right up here on the salt block and take it off from there. Oh, it's beautiful. Smells amazing. Again, I just love the lemon and the dill and the garlic all together. I'm making 4 plates, but I'm not sure if I'm going to share any of this. Gonna add the couscous on the side. Now the salmon. Even just with adding just a little bit of seasoning and the dill and the lemon and the garlic, that's cooking it on the salt block just infuses it with the Himalayan sea salt and with the couscous. Outstanding. Thanks for joining me. This was such a satisfying cook on a salt block over the open flame. The end result's outstanding as well. Couscous, the perfect addition to this. You gotta give it a try. Again, my name's Dave. Thanks for joining me. Have a great week, and remember, spread love through barbecue. Also, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see cooked next.
Baby, baby.